Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to use your phone as a wireless mouse, keyboard and even a speaker for your PC using two free apps. It works with any phone, Android or iPhone, and any computer, Windows, Mac or Linux. Now without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first on your computer, open your browser and go to unifiremote.com. Click on the download button and download the latest server. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux and others. Once downloaded, install it like normal. After that, you'll see a little green icon in your taskbar or menu bar. That means it's running. Right click on it and click on the manager option. It'll take you to the dashboard. Now on your phone, head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Unify Remote. Download and install it. It's completely free. Now make sure your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Unify Remote app on your phone. Click I've installed the server, enable the required permission and it'll automatically detect your computer. Just click on it to connect. Once connected, choose basic input and your phone instantly becomes a touchpad. Move your finger to move the cursor, tap to click and use the keyboard icon to type. It even supports scrolling and right-clicking with two fingers. The latency depends on your internet speed. Right now, my internet speed is slow, so there is some lag. The app also offers some extra controls like media playback, volume controller, power options and a file manager to access the files of your computer on your phone. Most of the essential features are totally free. Now let's make your phone act as a wireless or USB speaker for your PC using a free app called AudioRelay. On your computer, go to audiorelay.net and download the AudioRelay server for your OS. It also supports Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Install it and launch it. Now on your phone, open the Play Store or App Store and search for AudioRelay and install it. Again, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the AudioRelay app on your phone and click Get Started. It'll automatically detect your PC running the server as you can see. Tap your PC name and within seconds, you'll start hearing your computer audio through your phone speaker. You can also adjust the volume, mute or stop the speaker whenever you want with a single tap. If you want zero audio lag, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Enable the USB tethering option in the app and in your device settings. And that's it. You've just turned your phone into a wireless mouse, keyboard and speaker for your PC, all for free. It's perfect for presentations, media setups or just lazy couch control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, let me know if you have any doubts setting them up and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.